Hello and welcome. In this video, we continue our series looking at some of the new upcoming features of the Vcad custom visual. In this video, we'll be looking at how we can define a base theme for our model. This can help with general visualization, as well as to guide the attention of your users. In this example report that we're looking at, we have a model, and we have defined a series of markers that highlight where our thermostats have been installed. However, the markers that have been defined have been set to be red, which can clash a little with the roof of our building. What we want to do is to be able to change the color of our model to really make those markers stand out. To do that, simply go to the base theme option and activate it. As you can see, the entirety of our model has now been colored white, which is the default. Of course, we have more options. If we desire, we can actually change the color that we're applying to really make those red markers contrast and show out, as well as set a level of transparency to maybe keep a little of the original model color underneath. This feature can be very helpful when you're showing markers inside of your model to really highlight them and make them visible, but even in a more traditional use of Vcad, to really make your selection stand out from the rest of the model. Thank you for watching this quick video on applying a base theme on your model using Vcad. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.